Hello everyone, my name is Vargav Ramani. My project is the EcoFrog Studio. I today talk about my projects, the sustainable project management, the approach to delivering a net zero creative co-workings and the fabrication hub. The overview of the EcoFrog Studio, the sustainability factors in the project management, the economical cost, environmental, time management, the quality, and the socials. The EcoFrog Studio built the project providing a net zero creative co-workings and the fabrication hub. These presentations will be developed to show a process map. Choosing a appropriate digital project management tool to support the process map. Creately can be used to work on the process map specifically to step by using a sharp and relate them within the flowchart. The use is the friendly nature of the tools will assess to planning process of the projects. The Creately has been selected as the online tools maintained in the process map of the EcoFrog Studio projects. Creately provide a easy to use which the enable people to facility free to cooperations and the developments of the SAPs. The EcoFrog Studio, the project objectives, the mainly 4M, the SDG 7, 9, 11 and 30. The SDG 7 is the affordable and the clean energy is to aim to achieving over a net zero energy 2025 through energy over designs and the productions of renewable energy facility levels. The M2 is the SDG 9, the industry innovations and the infrastructures to create a sustainable innovations, fabrications and the co-working facility keep the creative and the collaborations alive. The M3 is the sustainable cities and the communities to offer a workplace to the local community and the individuals are the inclusives of the affordables. The goal for the SDG is 13 in the climate actions, the sustainable plastic and the design materials. The EcoFrog Studio, the project deliverable, the mainly 4 projects deliverables. The EcoFrog Studio deliverable is the mainly 4. The one is the creative hub with a full net zero operations facility. Second is the intelligence and the creatives layout productions. And the third is the sustainables and the ethical suppliers selections. And the fourth is the energy efficient systems. In the innovations facility that was a net zero operations facilities, smart innovations layout generations and the green sourcings and the responsible source selections and the new community engagement activities and the innovatives. Environmental, social, financial stability goals of the EcoFrog Studio projects. The sustainability goals is the mainly three is the environmental, socials and the financial. The sustainability objects of the current projects are the achieving the net zero, enhance the community local environments and the provide a financial stability in long term. In the project will only have a less impact of the environments and not mention enhance the economic growth of the locals and the benefit of the stakeholders buy them with the able income source. In environmental, the impact is the reduce of the carbon footprint of the projects and resolve the climate change issue. In the social, the impact is the support the financial growth and improve the creative resource of the communities. The environmental is reach a net zero carbon emissions of the maintaining stable materials, energy effect designs, and the renewable energy generations. And the talking about the financial, the increase of financial step, the ensuring the stables, the business models, as well as the rental income and gains. Breakdowns of the projects into core functions and the sub functions, the manage into sustainable WBS and Gantt chart. WBS and the Gantt chart of the EcoFrog Studio, the creatives and the all time that is going to be take the complete of the projects. To illustrate the key stage of the project's area, the project's plannings in 10 days, in the project designs and developments in the 19 days, the project's permitting and the approval 20 days, the site constructions of the projects is the 19 days, and the project launch and the certificate 24 days, and the projects will take approximately 88 working days to complete the process of the developing the projects. And this is a process map diagrams. The above the process map diagrams of the EcoFrog Studio projects show how to projects going to be complete is the step by step basic and the also reveals and the impact creatives relate to each activities. Those steps their maintenance and then priorities can they continue developing and the EcoFrog Studio successfully. The EcoFrog Studio and then project chapter approval and then designs and developments, permissions and the approvals, and the permissions and the approval completions, and the constructions, and the launch and operations, and the launch and occupancy, the project closures. The area of the sustainability integrations in the projects. The project management 3 sustainability including the economy, environmental and equity. The sustainability area in the projects can be observed in the 3E. The construction stage can also contribute of the waste management, the result of the sustainable materials use. The reuse, the allocations effectively enhancing the financial stability in these projects. Basically, the sustainability is the 3E, the environmental, the economy and the equity. Digital tools and technology improve the sustainability in the EcoFrog Studio projects. The Green BIM, the digital twins, IoT and BDA, the technology can employ in the Eco Studio projects to enhance the stability issue of the projects. As example, the Green BIM is the capable of the enhancing of the use of the resource as opposed to BDA, which can optimize of the use of the resource of the projects. The digital twins will be able to create appropriate plans of the project's buildings. The project conclusions. The sustainable constructions materials is the three: the health benefit, the energy efficiency, a renewable resource. The project can maintains the sustainables of the UN SDGs the through of the attempt to ESF goals, the waste management as well as the effect the constructions materials can reduce the environmental impact. Yeah, this is my reference. Thank you so much for your time and support. Thank you.